Thank you for stopping by to view this contemporary open concept condominium located at 12616 Lakeshore Drive, number 46. Nestled in this centrally located neighborhood of Lakeside, this 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 881 square foot home with 2 parking spaces is directly across from Lindo Lake. Here is your chance to own this second-story single-level condo with its light-filled open floor plan that makes entertaining easy. Newer neutral tone laminate flooring throughout adds warmth and comfort, while large windows let sunshine warm the space. The large living room is open to an L-shaped kitchen with espresso-colored cabinetry that provides plenty of storage. A long peninsula affords space for cooking prep or as a breakfast bar. The adjacent dining room features a bay window and space to fit a farmhouse table set for 6. The front deck provides an outdoor area for plants with an expansive view of Lindo Lake across the street. The master bedroom features a walk-in closet and an ensuite bathroom with a tub and shower combination. The second bedroom can be used as a children's room, a guest room, or an office. Down the hall is a 3-piece guest bath with a newer sink and vanity and newer tile flooring. In a recessed area in the hallway are laundry hookups and built-in shelving. Lakefront Shores condominium residents enjoy a sparkling pool and spa in this gated community. Lindo Lake County Park is only steps away and offers walking trails, picnic areas, a children's playground, a skate park, tennis courts, and much more. Historic downtown Lakeside is within a short walk. One can grab a burger and a beer at Eastbound Bar and Grill, or dine at Ottavio's Italian restaurant on one of their pasta dishes or pizzas. Lakeside is home to the annual Lakeside Rodeo. This home is conveniently located near Route 67 with easy access to San Diego, but provides an enjoyable rural lifestyle. Thank you for stopping by 12616 Lakeshore Drive, number 46. We invite you to come by to view this open concept starter home and see for yourself why every home is a masterpiece.